Hello everyone. I am Avatar AI for Frank Liu, the top agent from Silicon Valley Results team of Alliance Bay Realty. Today we will tour San Jose tract at Onyx, developed by Pult Homes in 2016. Over here we see the rendering of exterior of building. Onyx by Pult Homes is an apartment community located in Santa Clara County and the 95,133 zip code. This area is served by the Alum Rock Union Elementary Attendance Zone. Charming modern condo in the heart of Silicon Valley, surrounded by all the high-tech giants. Stunning open floor plan, with gleaming laminate flooring, elegant carpet with smooth finished surface, central AC and heating, inside laundry, walk-in master closet, and custom-designed kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Great location with easy access to Highway 101, 680, 880, and 280. Close to schools, parks, shopping, and restaurants. Less than 15 minutes to the new Google campus, San Jose International Airport, Westfield Valley Fair, and Levi's Stadium. It's within walking distance of the new BART station. Pult Gums community comprises 341 units, ranging in size from 1,400 to 2,144 square feet. The Homeowner Association dues are approximately $244 per month, which covers various amenities, including common area electricity, exterior painting, insurance for common areas, hazard insurance, structure insurance, landscaping and gardening, maintenance for common areas and exteriors, management fees, reserves, and roof maintenance. With these features, residents can enjoy a comfortable and hassle-free living experience. Over here is one of floor plan. Here is another plan. Let's take a look at the site map. Here is the chart to demonstrate the latest comps in the tracts. The average home price in this tract is around $700 per square feet. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Frank Liu. Here is the introduction of Onyx San Jose. If you have any questions, call or email me at any time. 408-828-0600 and frank.liu1268@gmail.com. Thanks.